Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this file, and it's got a bunch of double lines in it, and he wanted to know how you can find out whether your drawing has double lines, and he's got them kind of a pink color and a blue color. I questioned him on that, and he stated that he cuts the pink first and then the blue, um, and that's fine. I just like red everywhere. So one clue, there are 15 of these, 5 of these is 20, 21. If you select the whole thing, you've got 37 objects. Now, doing Corel long enough from a distance, I can see that this pink line is less than a pink line as that one. I can just see it, and you can probably see it too. So that's a double line. Then if you delete it, it looks more like this line because this just has one line. Now let's back up here and put that thing back up there. And this is the PDF. I asked him to send me the PDF that the customer sent him, so I'm going to delete that. And I'm going to go to, let me zoom in a little bit. I'm going to go to Object Manager, Windows, Dockers, Object Manager, and you can see, let's give me the pick tool, and you click on that curve, and it gives you that curve, but then it goes through, but there's groups of 2 objects in a curve, so we open them up, there's that curve again. It's not even a complete curve, it's half that. So there is a problem. What I would do is, because I think everything is represented, let me back up. I think all the lines are represented. Let's try this. Let's click on that one, hold down the shift key and go down to this one. It'll select all those and then right click and delete. Now you have 22 objects because the blue line is a double line too. And we can kind of see that right there. There's 2 blue lines. So you can either click on that and hit delete, and now you just have one. And earlier I said there was 21 objects, and there's 21 objects. So the more you use Corel Draw, the more you're going to be able to see double lines. Sometimes at a distance it's even better. Let's just I draw everything in red. He's got it in his color, but there's a red hairline. Let me see what he's got his duplicate set off. I also would set your duplicate at 0, 0, and then it's going to make a duplicate right on top of there. I'll tell you what, let's make a duplicate and move it over, and then make a duplicate of this one. And I can just see from this distance that this red is redder than that red. Close up, you can't really tell too much. You can a little bit, but it's not that, detectable. So I'm going to click on that red, give me the pick tool, and I'm going to delete it. And now it looks the same. We deleted it, it's gone. Anyway, I truly hope that helped him a little bit, and thank you for watching.